Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of YouTube Kids profile. So if you want to switch profiles or log out completely from the application, this is how you are going to do it. So on the YouTube Kids applications, you can just go to the parental control menu. You can click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Enter the passcode of the applications and you can just scroll down in here under the settings. There will be this option, use YouTube Kids sign out. Click on that, and just like that you can just click on sign out to confirm. But you need to know that any videos you've blocked now watchable when you sign it off. So you can just click on sign out, click on get started, show video. Sorry, you can just skip this, and here you need to finish this simple math, and here you can choose the experience again. Click on select, done, and just like that now you can still watch YouTube Kids but not sign in. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.